Hello everyone, welcome back to Tips and Tricks Pro. Today I'm going to show iPhone 13 details. Let's get started. Launch date September 30th, 2021. Unofficial brand Apple model iPhone 13. Operating system iOS v14. SIM slots dual SIM GSM plus GSM. Network 5G supported by device network not rolled out in India. 4 grams, available. Supports Indian bands. 3 grams, available. 2 grams, available. Rear camera, 13 MP plus 13. Front camera, 13 MP. Waterproof, YES, water-resistant. Ruggedness, dust-proof. Screen size, 6.2 inches 15/75. Screen resolution, 1170 x 2532 pixels. Bezel-less display, YES. Internal memory, 64 GB. RAM, 4 GB. Image resolution, 4128 x 3096 pixels. Front camera resolution, 13 MP. Primary camera. Camera features, digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Settings, exposure compensation, ISO control. Battery details, capacity, 3 to 8.5 mAh, Type Li-ion. Wireless charging, yes. Quick charging, YES. Fast. Multimedia loudspeaker, YES. Audio jack, Lightning. Camera details, camera setup, single. Resolution, 13 MP. Primary camera, 13 MP. Wide angle, ultra-wide angle camera. Autofocus, YES. Phase detection, autofocus. Shooting modes, continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode HDR. Video recording, YES. Front camera resolution, 13 MP. Primary camera. Network connectivity, SIM size SIM1, Nano, SIM2, eSIM. Wi-Fi, YES. Wi-Fi 800 to 0.11, A or AC, or B or G or N or N 5 GHz, MIMO. Wi-Fi features, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth eyes, V5.1. YES, with a glottis, YES. US connectivity, mass storage device, USB charging. Volt, YES. SIM 14 grams bands, tilt to 300 band 40, tilt 1800 band 3 grams bands, UMTS 1900 2100 850 900 MHz, 2 grams bands. GSM 1800 1900 850 900 MHz. GPRS, available. Edge, available. SIM 24 grams bands, tilt to 300 band 40, tilt 1800 band 3 grams bands, UMTS 1900 2100 850 900 MHz, 2 grams bands. GSM 1800 1900 850 900 MHz. GPRS, available. Edge, available. Special features, other sensor: slide sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, barometer, compass, gyroscope. Warranty, 1-year manufacturer warranty. Performance, chipset Apple A14 Bionic. Processor, Hexacore 3, 1 GHz, dual core, Firestorm 1.8 GHz, quad core, Ice Storm. Architecture, 64-bit. Graphics, Apple GPU for core graphics. For color options for the iPhone 13 Pro, these include black, silver, rose gold, and sunset gold. A sunset gold color has also been rumored, but this could be the anticipated bronze color due to the shade used. Supply chain sources say that the rose gold color will be very pale in this series. Apple has now made it official that the iPhone 13 announcement event will happen on September 30 at 10 AM PDT. Starting price, £699.799, 01349. iPhone 13 mini 5.4 inches, iPhone 13 minus 6.1 inches, iPhone 13 Pro 6.1 inches, iPhone 13 Pro Max 6.7 inches. iPhone 13 price in UK. iPhone 13 mini 699,699, iPhone 13 799,799, iPhone 13 Pro 999999, iPhone 13 Pro Max 1099199. Thanks for watching.